the ruling gradient is 1 in 150. So they have given ruling gradient. Gradient means slope. So the ruling gradient is 1 in 150, or we can say 1:150. The meaning is, if I am going one vertical, the horizontal is 150. This is your slope on a particular section of broad gauge. So it is a BG track, and at the same time a curve of 4 degree is situated. Now they have given curve of 4 degree is situated on this ruling gradient. So there are two things. One, that is curve, and another there is slope also. See, both aspects we have to consider. So in such case we have to slightly compensate the gradient. There should be some grade compensation, because the curve is in such a way that there is some slope also. There is some vertical slope and there is a horizontal curve also, like this. So as I am going in straight in this direction. So there will be a slight horizontal curve also, and there will be a upward movement also in this direction. Okay, so I need to compensate the gradient. What should be the allowable ruling gradient in percentage? Now remember this thing, they have asked you the value of allowable ruling gradient in percentage. So basically we know that allowable ruling gradient, that is actual ruling gradient minus grade compensation. How much grade compensation we have to give? Now see, they have we know the formula, that grade compensation for BG, broad gauge, grade compensation for BG track. So it is 0.04% per degree of curve. So here how much degree of curve we are having? We are having 4 degree curve, right? And they have given ruling gradient. We know ruling gradient, that is 1 in 150. So basically ruling gradient is equal to 1 in 150. So what is the meaning of 1 in 150? It is actually 1 by 150 into 100. So the decimal value, it is 0.67. Okay, now grade compensation, if we apply this formula, how much value you will get? It is 0.04% per degree of curve. So we are having 4 degree, so that is 0.04 into 4. So this value will come out to be 4 into 4, 16. So 0.16%. So 0.16%, and here also ruling gradient we have found out in percentage, right? So this is also in percentage, 0.67%. So two values we have found out. So one is your grade compensation and another is your ruling gradient. Okay, now just you have to convert it in the form of percentage. 1 upon 150 into 100, you will get the value in terms of percentage. So you have to take the difference. Directly you take the difference, so that you will get the allowable gradient. So allowable gradient is equal to this value, this first value, that is 0.67 minus 0.16. See, both are in percentage, so directly you can subtract. So the value will be 0.51%. So this is the answer.